Speaking of big investments, or maybe not so big investments, Chamath, he said he totally missed out on investing in Coinbase because he opted to own Bitcoin directly instead. He came out and said on Twitter that he totally missed out because he didn't recognize the value of investing in the companies that were built on Bitcoin rather than just investing in Bitcoin itself. So basically, he explained how he invested in Bitcoin directly because his logic was that there was better convexity in Bitcoin itself. So he said that's why he invested in Bitcoin directly versus investing in the companies built on Bitcoin. But he said really he missed out. And he did get lucky because he invested as a limited partner with an investor who owns a big chunk of Coinbase. But like he didn't directly invest in Coinbase himself, missed out on the opportunity. But he said right now the right decision is to really invest in both. Invest in Bitcoin and in companies like Coinbase because this is only going to continue to grow. And when you're looking at the numbers that Coinbase is doing right now, they reported total revenue of $1.8 billion with its preliminary first quarter results the other day. And trading volume surged to an estimated $335 billion, which is 4x from the preceding quarter. So Q4 of 2020, which was $89 billion. And their net income on this $1.8 billion in revenue was $730 to $800 million, which is also a pretty sharp increase from the previous quarter as well. So they're growing very, very rapidly, and they have pretty high margins. User growth is exploding, especially with everything going on with cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. User growth is now at doubled last quarter to 6.1 million users. And it's a company that he says he really likes. It's a monster, and he would say right now best thing to do is invest in both, like Bitcoin and in Coinbase, rather than just picking one or the other, because there's benefits to both of them.